Welcome everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about sentences and phrases. We have seen the introduction of a sentence and a phrase. We have also seen that a sentence can be a declaration, a statement, question or command. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the types of sentences. So, we will be mainly focusing on declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. So let us start with the first type, that is declarative sentence. Now what is a declarative sentence? So a declarative sentence tells us something. It gives us the information. It tells us something about someone. Basically it gives a declaration. Okay. And it ends with the full stop. So a sentence can be that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Tara is a good girl. Rohit is an honest boy. Delhi is the capital of India. These are the statements that are giving information, that are giving declaration or statements. These sentences can call as declarative sentences. The second type is imperative sentences. Now, what are imperative sentences? See, imperative sentence in which we give command, instructions, order to someone. Okay, when we give command, instructions, or order, or it can be request also. It can be a request also. So these sentences are called as imperative sentence. It ends with full stop. These sentences also ends with full stop. For example, clean your classroom. Do your homework today itself. Will you help me? Please help me. Do me a favor. So these sentences in which we give command, instructions, order, or we do the request, these sentences can be called as imperative sentences. Now let's move on to the interrogative sentence. Now what is interrogative sentence? Basically these sentences are the questions in which we ask questions to someone. Interrogative sentences are the sentences in which we ask questions to someone, and these sentences ends with question mark. For example, what is your name? What does your father do? Where do you live? What do you do? These sentences in which we ask question and sentences that ends with question mark, these sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Now the last one that we are going to see is exclamatory sentence. Now what is this exclamatory sentence? The sentences in which we show the strong feeling, emotion, in which we express our feelings and emotion with the exclamation mark. It ends with exclamation mark. These sentences are called as exclamatory sentence. For example, alas, he died last year. Wow, what a wonderful match. Hooray, we won the game. These are the sentences in which we are expressing our emotions, our feelings, and the sentences that are ending with exclamation mark. These sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. Okay, so what we have seen the types of sentences in which we have covered declarative sentence, a sentence that tells us something about someone or something and ends with full stop. The second type we have seen imperative sentence, a sentence in which we give command, instructions, or we do a request, and these sentences also end with full stop. Then we have seen interrogative sentences, the sentences that ends with question mark in which we ask the question. The last one we have seen exclamatory sentences, the sentences in which we show our strong feeling, in which we express our emotions and ends with exclamation mark. These sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. So today we have covered types of sentences. In the next chapter, we are going to cover some more types. So that's it for today. I hope you understood the lesson today. See you soon in the next lecture. Till then, take care.